Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you that how you can make your channel read only on Discord. So go to Discord and go to your server settings. Now go to your channels. Pick a channel. I'm going to tap this channel and then now go to channel permissions. Now tap edit. Now scroll up and then you can see text channel permissions, which is send messages, so deny it. And then now your channel is read only, so yeah, so nobody can text on your channel, on your this specific channel. So yeah, this is how you can make your channel read only on Discord. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.